Hello trainees, welcome in this unit tie and dye. In the first topic, we are going to look at the definition of terms used in tie and dye, and our learning outcomes will be at the end of the lesson. You are supposed to define the terms used in tie and dye and understand the importance of tie and dye. The first term, we are going to define the term dyes. Dyes are substances that impart color to a material by selective absorption of certain wavelength of light. In tie and dye, various types of dyes are used to create vibrant patterns and design on fabric. The second term is dyeing. Dyeing is the process of imparting color to a textile material. In tie and dye, the process involves applying dye to specific area of fabric to create pattern and designs. The third term, we define basic dyes. Basic dyes are dyes that are cushion in nature and typically used to dye materials such as acrylic fibers, which are difficult to dye with another type of dyes. Basic dyes are known for the bright and vibrant colors. The next term we look at the term bleeding. Bleeding is the unwanted migration of dye from a dyeing material onto another surface, usually caused by inadequate dye fixation or washing. In tie and dye, bleeding can result in color spreading beyond the intended areas of the fabric. Next, we look at another term, which is azoic dyes. This is a type of dye that is formed in the fiber by a chemical reaction between two components. Azoic dyes are commonly used in tie and dye for their ability to produce bright, vivid colors. Another term we look at, caustic soda, also known as sodium hydroxide. Caustic soda is a strong alkaline chemical that is sometimes used in the tie and dye to help set the dye and improve color fastness. We look at the term color fastness. What is color fastness? It is the resistance of the dye material to fading or running when exposed to various conditions such as washing, light, or rubbing. Color fastness is an important consideration in tie and dye, which ensures that color remains vibrant and do not bleed or fade over time. We look at the term hue. Hue is the attribute of color that allows it to be classified as red, blue, green, or others. Hue is one of the three characteristics of color, along with value, which is the light or brightness, and chroma, which is purity and intensity. The last term we talk about cross dyeing. Cross dyeing is a dyeing technique in which two or more different types of fibers in a fabric are dyed within different dyes. This results in a fabric with a multiple colored or cross-dyed appearance, which can create interesting visual effects in tie and dye. Then we go and look at the importance of tie and dye. Tie and dye has several aspects of benefits. It helps in creativity, and self-expression. Tie and dye allows individuals to express their activity and create unique designs. It offers a hand-on approach to art and design, allowing for personalized and original creation. The second importance is culture and significance. Tie and dye techniques have been used for centuries in various cultures around the world. It can be a way to connect with and appreciate different culture, traditions, and practices. The next importance is for skill development. Learning tie and dye involves mastering techniques such as folding, twisting, tying fabrics, as well as dyeing application. This can help develop fine motor skills and attention to details. The fourth importance is for fashion and textile design. Tie and dye fabrics are often used in fashion and textile design. This technique can create visual striking patterns and designs that are used in clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The next importance is eco-friendly practices. Tie and dye can be sustainable and eco-friendly way to dye fabrics. It often uses natural dyes and can reduce water and energy consumption compared to traditional dyeing method. The next importance is community and social impact. In social culture, tie and dye is a communal activity that brings people together. It can be a way to promote social cohesion and traditional craftsmanship. The last importance, which you can add on others, is for therapeutic benefit. Some people find tie and dye to be relaxing and a meditative activity. It can be a way to reduce stress and anxiety while engaging in creative processes. Thank you.